How to make new folder in Yahoo Mail on iPhone? Are you tired of a cluttered inbox on your iPhone? Let's figure out how to create a new folder in Yahoo Mail to keep your emails organized. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. This is where all your email accounts are managed, including your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're in the Mail app, navigate to the main mailboxes screen. You'll see all your existing mailboxes here. To create a new folder, tap the Edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will put your mailboxes into edit mode, allowing you to make changes. Now, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on New Mailbox. This option will let you create a brand new folder. Next, you need to name your new mailbox. Type in the name you want for your folder at the top of the screen. For example, you could name it Work or Personal. After naming your folder, select Yahoo as the destination where you want to save this new mailbox. This ensures that the folder is created within your Yahoo Mail account. Finally, tap Save at the top of the screen and then tap Done to finish the process. Your new folder is now created and ready to use. To move emails into this new folder, simply long press on an email, tap Move, and then select the folder you just created. This way, you can keep your emails neatly organized and easily accessible. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your Yahoo Mail inbox tidy and efficient on your iPhone. Happy organizing!